Were you guys in the washing machine? Let's take this opportunity to go to the house and make a YouTube channel. Let's go. I wanted to make this video about creating a YouTube channel. Oh, how could you make a video about making a YouTube channel? It's so easy to make a YouTube channel. It's easy to make a YouTube channel, but it's very hard to make a YouTube channel correctly.
Piece of cake, piece of crumb cake.
I have thousands of hours watching YouTube content and studying how to be a content creator. And I want to bring all this information on how to create and maintain your YouTube channel for you today. Now, this video applies for probably desktop and mainly Android. What you want to do is go into your system settings, and then you want to go down to manage accounts. And then at the very bottom, it's going to say create account. So you want to create a brand new Google account. We're going to go over how to do this in just a minute. With that new Google account, you're going to create a brand new Gmail. And you're going to want this to tie in with your channel name, and that's going to be what brands you. Make sure you give it some thought and consideration. And once you get your new Google account created, when you go into YouTube, you just click login and you go right in through that Gmail that you just made. Also, I want you guys to take a second to maybe like this video or subscribe. I'm going to make videos about content creation, all covering YouTube, covering all kind of stuff. And we're going to talk about how to make money aside from your 9 to 5 so we can learn how to get financial freedom. And also in the comments below, let me know how many hours you've spent watching YouTube and learning. Because I've spent thousands of hours on YouTube learning stuff, watching it for entertainment. There's a lot of times that I use it to search things, and Google and YouTube are the top two. YouTube is the second most used search engine on the web, with Google being number one, and Google owns YouTube. So why not make a YouTube channel and make some videos? You can make videos on how to or make tutorials, and I'm going to be making these kind of videos as well. So just subscribe and go on this journey with me. I'm excited for it. Now, once you have your account ready and you're logged in on your YouTube, you're going to want to go and download YouTube Studio. Now, YouTube Studio is amazing. It shows you all the analytics. It does everything you need to do, and it shows you how much people are watching your videos and for how long they're watching your videos. YouTube Studio is a must-have. I plan on making an in-depth guide on YouTube Studio, but for now, just know that you have to have it to work with your YouTube channel. Also, I recommend downloading vidIQ. That's a channel that is about content creation as well, but they have an app that you can download that's free for the basic programming, and you can learn and you can actually look at all your competitors and all the video topics that you can make videos on according to your specific channel. It's an amazing app. I cannot recommend it enough. So you want to click add another account if you already have Google accounts, right? So you want to make sure you start off creating a Google account. I picked for business use. You can click for personal use. It's really up to you. And then this section right here is pretty much self-explanatory. You got your first and last name. I'm Johnny Doe. And you got your birthday and your gender. Now, while we're here, I'll go ahead and talk to you guys about, I just made my YouTube channel and I absolutely love it. I recommend that anybody watching this video gives it a shot. So here's where you want to put in your Google account email, right? And you can almost match that with what you would want your name to be for your Google or for your YouTube account. Excuse me. Your YouTube account can match your Google account. Go through these confirm, accept the terms. All right. Now you want to sign into your Google account. All right, you want to enter the password. Once again, very self-explanatory. Now, when you go onto YouTube and you log into YouTube, see right up here in the top right corner, you actually click YouTube Studio, and this is where you're going to see everything that you need to know. You're going to be able to check out your analytics. You can see how many views you get. You can do everything, all your settings, and we're going to go over a couple of them right now. So first of all, your channel name, you want to come up with a name. This is your brand. This is going to be your future. This is everything. Your channel name, you can change it twice every 14 days, so it's not stuck. You can do a little experiment and see what you want, but, give it some thought. Give it some thought for sure. And then you got your handle name. That's almost like, www.youtube.com/ then your handle. And that can be changed twice every 14 days as well. You can make it something similar to your channel name. so people can find you easy. Then you got your channel description. Your channel description is going to be anything you want to let people know that come to your channel for the very first time. They don't know anything about you. They've never watched your videos. They just want to check out the description of your channel. Give them any information that you think they may need to know about you, anything that entices them to click subscribe. I mean, anything. Be creative with it. All right, so there's lots more things you can look at in YouTube Studio. This section here is also important. You want to make sure that you put a nice picture for your profile picture for your YouTube channel. It could be a picture of you. You can go watch a tutorial on how to make like a logo for your channel and make it your logo. But very easy, self-explanatory. Put a nice picture that people are going to like, that attracts people. And you got your banner image. Now that is the image that is on the very top of your channel when people click your YouTube channel. And you're going to see that on the top. It's a banner. And there's actually different banners for TV, laptop, cell phone. So you want to go, that's a very complex feature actually. So you want to make sure that you go and watch a video on how to do that correctly, because it can be a hassle. And then video watermark, I actually like to put a little subscribe button down there in the bottom corner. People can click it and it'll automatically subscribe them to your channel. While they're watching it full screen, it'll be down there in the bottom right corner, but you can put anything, little watermark. All right. And now you've created your channel, you've logged in, you've made your channel name, you got your banner, and this is how your channel is going to look. A brand new YouTube account. Well, there you go. You got your brand new YouTube channel. The sky's the limit. You could start making content that people can enjoy, or you can make videos that people can learn from, and you could change the world. Honestly, I cannot believe that there's 30 of you guys following me now. I cannot wait to hit 100. 2024 is going to be a huge year for YouTube and content creation. With everybody on their phones and everybody ordering stuff online, you want to be a content creator and not a consumer. So I'll see you guys at 100 subscribers, right? Come see me when you get it and let me know that I helped you get there. You guys have a good one. I'll see you on the next video.